Yes, you absolutely can keep your existing phone number when switching to Red Pocket. Red Pocket is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that allows you to transfer your number from another carrier like Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T. This process, known as porting, is governed by FCC regulations and lets you maintain your contacts and services. To be eligible, your number must be active with your current provider, and your account must be in good standing with no outstanding balances. Red Pocket only supports porting from US-based numbers, not international ones. Make sure to have all your account information ready. To port your number to Red Pocket, you'll need several pieces of information and meet certain requirements. First, gather your full name, billing address, the last four digits of your SSN or account PIN, your current carrier account number, and PIN. Your phone must also be unlocked and compatible with Red Pocket's network, with Verizon-compatible phones working best. Now for the process. Start on Red Pocket's website or app by selecting Port My Number and entering the required details. A minimal activation fee may be needed. Insert the SIM card and activate it online. The porting process typically takes 1 to 2 business days, but Red Pocket may contact you for verification to prevent delays. While Red Pocket does not charge a porting fee, your old carrier might impose one.